Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by taking immediate targeted checks. Measure tire pressure and set each tire to the exact manufacturer SI, because small differences cause pull. Once done, walk a full circle to spot uneven wear patterns or bulges and note any 1/8 or larger tread differences. Next, remove extra weight on one side and confirm the car sits level. These quick steps often reveal whether the issue is tires, load, or something deeper requiring disassembly. Now you perform diagnostic swaps and component checks to find the true cause. Swap front tires side to side and retest. If the pull follows, replace or balance that tire. If not, check brakes for caliper drag or seize slide pins and feel for pulling under braking. Then inspect steering and suspension. Test tie rods, ball joints, wheel bearings, and bushings for play, and measure camber and caster. Correcting these will often eliminate persistent pull. Without full alignment, finish by performing a proper wheel alignment. Set toe to the factory specification and adjust camber or caster where possible, because toe errors most commonly cause pull. Once aligned, torque all lug nuts to spec, then road test for 5 to 10 miles on a straight, level road to verify correction. If the pull returns, recheck steering geometry and brake drag. If you still see pull, take the car to a professional alignment shop. Their rack measurements will catch subtle frame or subframe issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.